So our Bachelor of Computer Science programs, they really focus on core computer science. So we really, again, focusing on how a computer works, understanding what an algorithm is, what a data structure is, how the computer architecture is built, how an operating system runs. So again, I like to use the, everybody can drive a car, but in this program, you're going to really understand what's going on under the hood, how that car drives, how that computer works, in order to create applications, create systems, computing systems that really not just run, but run efficiently, run well, and run for the long term. We're really focused on quality throughout the program, and you'll be able to focus on specific areas of computer science, such as cybersecurity or cloud computing or big data analysis as well. Again, why would you be interested in something like the Bachelor of Computer Science? There's a really strong industry demand for students with these diverse set of skills in the computing systems. Again, you'll be able to, as a graduate, create quality, secure computing systems overall. So by computing system, it's not just that application, but the application, the back-end components that it needs to run, such as a database or all, setting up the network. It's the full breadth of the system, not just a single piece of it. And soft skills. That's something I like to emphasize, do not overlook in the computing space, that you need to not just be technically skilled, but you need to know how to talk to customers, how to pull requirements, how to work as a team, how to write your results down in a way that lay people can understand. And that's something that we really try to emphasize through this program. There's a project course in every single level that is just trying to drive that home, how important it is that you have those skills. Because that's something we hear from industry in our space over and over and over again, is there's lots of technically skilled people, but where people really struggle is the soft skills. They can't get people that can know how to program, but also know how to work as a team and communicate. So we really try to emphasize that importance to students. So a little bit about the three-year degree. It's a three-year bachelor degree. Again, you're going to learn industry-ready skills. By the end of those 3 years, you'll be ready to enter industry in a range of industries and have those skills to succeed. You'll have a portfolio of projects that you've done and things you've learned throughout it. There will be 6 projects throughout that 3 years. There's 1 mandatory co-op work term as well. So you'll be entering, when you're graduating, you'll have industry-ready skills because you'll have that experience of a co-op. You'll be at our Waterloo campus where we have our BYOD, just so you know, is bring your own device. All of our programs here are bring your own device. So you'll have your own laptop that you'll be working on, as well as having access to our lab equipment that I mentioned earlier, such as the AI and cybersecurity lab. Where the 4-year degree is those 3 years of the 3-year bachelor degree with an additional year. The additional year allows you to have a major. So you'll have a major in cybersecurity or big data analysis. There's 3 co-op work terms in the 4-year degree. So that is 12 months total. And you'll have 8 project courses, which includes an 8-month capstone course in this degree. So you really get to create an amazing project over those 8 months as a team to demonstrate the range of skills you've learned over the 4-year degree.